Alright guys, welcome back. Today is the first for the channel. We have sort of a sponsor. They're not paying me, but they did send me a product. It's a welder. I am not going to try to say that name. It's like Sefaspe. Don't know. Sort of sounds Italian. It's MM120 mini. It's a 120 mini stick welder. Figure we'll unbox it and then tomorrow we'll try it. Let's see what comes in here. It says mini. The box is mini. And we'll see how she is. We're out here. Just had a storm and now it's clear, so. Get yourself some gel packs. Looks like it's a plug and twist. We got our leads. Of course, you got that slag brush, wire brush thing that everybody gets. Right off the bat, the leads look super short. It does look like copper, maybe. It's not too bad. Quick connect. Like I said, it's a mini, so only 120. It wouldn't be decent if you had, a garage and you didn't have 220 or nothing. Got a heck of a spring on this thing, geesh. Let's see. It doesn't have your grooves that some of them have where you put your stick in there, but it's got pretty good pressure on it, so it should be alright. This wire seems to be, if it's single wire, I would say maybe 8 gauge. I don't know. Let's see. Maybe it'll say on there. Not sure. Whatever 1x16 millimeter 2 is. But the leads look short. I'm gonna. I don't have my knife on me. I thought I could break this. Oh, I can. Yeah. Alright, so leads are about 6 feet. You got about 6 foot lead. Well, that's not bad. I mean, it's not super duper, but and you got, I'm not sure what this, I guess a spacer box, and then your little mini guy. Oh, it actually has some stick rods in there too. Alright, she's pretty mini. Let's see, this is a Galaxy S24 Ultra, just something like that, but there's my phone. So, almost the size of that. Let's see. Alright, here's some rods. 6011s. Oh wait, no. 6013s. They give you 1, 2, 3, 4. You get 5 rods. I don't know what. I guess that's how the thickness of them. Which I'm gonna say like a 3/32 or something, because it doesn't look like an 1/8. Possibly could be an 1/8. I doubt it. Then okay, you just get a paper what it is. Then your manual. Whew. And some very tiny writing. It should be pretty straightforward as always. So. And that shows your little stick, boom, and then your ground. So. Ground clamp. This goes in. Twist lock. There you go. And we'll get our lead. And twist lock. And there we are. That's actually a decent sized cord on that, honestly. It's longer than the lead. I'm pretty sure. Let's get her untwisted real quick. Well, I would say it's longer than the lead, so, alright. I don't know what that is. Some kind of weird powder. But, 120, on, off, fan, boom, sticks, we'll use them. I do have some, but I have 60, yeah, I think I have 6013's 3/32 size. I think they're this size or hair smaller, but we'll give these a test. I got some scrap metal laying around. We'll throw something together and we'll test it out. We'll use it a couple times on the channel. I appreciate them for sending this out. I mean, it doesn't feel bad. I mean, you got your little, it just keeps turning. Alright, I guess it's just so you got your gauge and you got your knob. Pretty simple. I can't tell if it's an inverter welder or not. But, so welders come a long way. I have a Lincoln Tombstone one in there, big old chunker. And then I have one of the Yes welders, another Chinese brand welder, which I suspect that's what this is. Let's see, do we have a made in anywhere? It says air cooled. Air cooled, 60% at 120, 24 volts. Those are 95 amps. If I can get up to 95. I'm not seeing. Okay, yeah, made in China. It's on the box. It's not on the welder though. Oh, it's pretty neat though. It's a little tiny thing. I mean, it'd be handy if you're doing little stuff. You can whip it around and do stuff because it beats bringing out a big heavy welder and all that. So I'm interested to check it out. And like I said, I'm not paid. They sent this to me, and I'm gonna try it out. And if you guys are watching, send me that bigger one out. I seen you guys had a 220 one. They're interested in that. And we could do some more. I got a few projects. I think we might try a compost barrel. I got a barrel, I gotta burn it. And then we'll cut an opening, weld some hinges, make a door. But we'll see. We'll see how the morning goes. It's supposed to storm. So, alright guys. Stay tuned, like and subscribe, and we'll pick this up tomorrow.